Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to check your case status online from your computer and your mobile devices. But before that I want to tell you what actually a case is. There are two types of cases like civil case and a criminal case. A civil case is a case between two litigating parties and a criminal case is a case which is filed by the government to punish a specific person for committing a crime. In India, all courts are connected by the e-courts project which has been adopted by the Honorable Supreme Court so that the common public can check their cases just by sitting at home. It is very helpful for the people who are tied up to their houses due to lockdown and also to the people who fail to attend the court due to their hectic schedules. The Honorable Supreme Court is the apex court of our country which is connected with all other 25 high courts in various states. As you can see here, there is a link being displayed on the screen. The moment when you click the same link on the Google, it will lead you to a tab which is being displayed on this presentation. For example, if a person has a pending case in Supreme Court, he has to click on the Supreme Court tab. For example, if a person has a pending case in High Court, he has to click on the High Court tab. And the same implies for the District Court. As soon as you click any one of those three options, it will redirect you to a page which is being displayed on this presentation. It will show you the country's map with the states within it. For an example, you have a pending case in Telangana. You have to click on the Telangana map. For example, you have a pending case in Hyderabad. You have to click on the Telangana as Hyderabad is a district of Telangana. As soon as you click on the Telangana state, it will show you the districts within it. Now you have to select the district where you have filed the case and the respective court. For example, let us assume that we have a pending case in Hyderabad City Civil Court, and as soon as you click on the Hyderabad City Civil Court, it will show you a page like about us, important information, latest announcement, services, etc. Then you have to click on the case status and then click on the case number. Now it will show you a page which is being displayed on this presentation. Now you have to fill the details like the court name, case type, case number, year, and enter the exact captcha which is being displayed there. And then you have to click on the go option. Then it will show you the status of your case. And now coming to the mobile devices, you have to open your Play Store and click on the search button and type eCoach Service app and download the app which is being shown here. As soon as you download and open the app, it will show you a logo which is being displayed here. And then you have to select the district where you have filed the case and the court. Then you have to fill the details like court complex, case type, case number, year, etc. Now I'll show you a couple of case type which is common for all the courts. Well, thank you for watching my video. Hope it is helpful. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.